Welcome to another RCM Level 2 playback video. This is example weekly test number 9. We are in the key of G major. We have a 4/4 time signature. This example is 2 measures in length. We have a G major triad, so go ahead and play that with me. I will play the example 2 times. Remember to tap your foot along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. Did we start on Do? Did we end on Do? Second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, go ahead and play that back. Okay, for the answer, turn to page 48 in the Royal Conservatory of Music's 4-star sight reading and ear test book. Thank you.